Okay, we are doing. Stop laughing at me. They're laughing at me already. I have to guess who they are. I'm doing this with my third period. They have to guess. I have to guess who they are just based off of their voice. So here we go. First one up.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Devin.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Oh, that one's hard. Say it again.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Liana?
No.
Dang it. Who was it?
Kaylee.
Oh, Kaylee. All right. Next.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Say that one more time.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Is that Emma?
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Anthony.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Layla.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Oh, one more time.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Amelie?
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Mia.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Max.
And Liliana. Yeah.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Marky.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Liana.
No.
Dang it. Who was? Oh, it was a Lassie, and I had you last year too. Oh my gosh. All right.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Lila.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
London.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Say that one more time.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
I'm struggling with this one.
I'm so surprised you're struggling. I'm just saying.
Oh my god. Okay, one more time.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Who is it?
Yes.
It's Chad.
It's Chad.
Yes, it is Chad.
Is it Larissa? Okay, one more time.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Jocelyn?
Yeah. Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Larissa?
No.
No? Oh my gosh.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Liana? No, you're right. That one's. Oh my.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Oh my god. Say it one more time.
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Sophia?
Happy Halloween, Miss Florendo.
Oh my god! My eye patches are falling off. Okay.